Hello, my name is Arun Sris, and I am the software developer for Milo Brewing Company, whose CEO is Prisma Thapa. For the first couple of slides, I have included the conversation between the CEO of the company and me. So I emailed Miss Prisma Thapa as soon as I know that I was being selected as a software developer for this project. And then I asked her, is there any other requirements beside that she mentioned in proposal, in Canvas, in discussion? And she replied me through the Canvas and all, and she said it is really really convenient to communicate together with via email. And uh, and I started working on her project, and I emailed her about the requirements and all, like she is good with that or not. And she said it looks fine, it looks great. And I started working on her project, and yeah. So so based on the request, so I created potential requirements of the project. So stock availability, users should be able to check the availability of the stock through the website. Product price, users should be able to check the price of the product online. Product picture, users should be able to check the images of the products if they need. Description, users should be able to see the complete details, and if they wanted to know more about it, they can also see the information about the product before they can buy it. Inventory, so staff should be able to check and update the inventory of the stock whenever they need it or when they log in. So as I created the user stories which are prioritized, and they are, as a user I want the customers to enter the date of birth before they can purchase any of the product. As the project is creating the website for my lubricant company, and it is a liquor company, so they should be the it should be able to verify the date of birth. And as a user I want to see the stock availability so I can track the inventory and sell. As a user I want to create different section for beer when within the original pictures. As a user, if a customer creates an account, I want my application to offer an automatic 10% on the first purchase. As a user, I want to remind the customers about the items on card. As a staff, I want to check and update inventory upon needed. So after the user stories, I started the iteration of based on two of them. So I created two of the iteration one and iteration two. And on iteration one, stock availability for users, which is estimated for 10 days, product price estimated 7 days, products quantity estimated 7 days, and total of 24 days. And on iteration 2, product description estimated 7 days, stock availability estimation 11 days, and update stock inventory of 12 days. So it is total of 30 days, and total estimation is of 54 days for this project. And after that I started working on the project and all. So there are two sub parts in this slide. It is progress and the completed parts. So the parts which are still working are stock availability for the customer service, description of the product, images of the product, and update stock inventory. Completed are product images and the product quantity. So I calculated the velocity for this project by days of work, by days required to get it done. And our team velocity is zero point 0.9, which is on November 27th. And as soon as I was done